Good morning, students of class 7th. Welcome to your chapter number 2 exercise. Students, what is the first question of exercise of chapter number 2? Select the correct option. First, adipose tissues. What is the correct answer here, students? Provide insulation to the body. B point. Provide insulation to the body. Second, bone and cartilage tissue comprise the, what is its answer, students? Its answer is skeletal system. Skeletal system. Third, an example of protective tissue is the answer is epithelial tissue. Students, answer is epithelial tissue. Now come to you fourth point. The muscles take part in breathing are, answer is involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. Fifth, muscles found in the heart are cardiac muscles. C point. White fibers tissue present in the tendons, joints, muscles to bone. C part. Muscle to bone. Now seventh, the cell of cartilage are present in fluid filled spaces called lacunae. Then eighth, axon and dendrites are parts of a student's neuron. Which of these serves as a storage sites of fats, insulates and protects certain areas of the body? Students, its answer is adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. Ligaments connect a bone with the bone. Answer is bone. Next, cardiac muscle fibers are branched. Answer is, students, branched. White fibers of connective tissue are made up of collagen. Students, answer is collagen. Now fill in the blanks with the correct option. Dash muscles are found in the walls of stomach and intestine. Its answer is, students, involuntary. Involuntary. Next, second, bone is a type of dash tissue. Answer is, students, skeletal. Third, the liquid part of the blood is called dash plasma. The inner lining of the esophagus, stomach, intestine and lungs is made up of dash tissue. Students, answer is epithelial. Epithelial. Next, our skin is made up of dash tissue. Students, answer is epithelial. Its answer also epithelial. Fifth answer. Next, tissue joins a bone to the muscle. Answer is tendon. Dash is a fluid Dash is the fluid connective tissue without RBC, red blood cell. Answer is, students, lymph. In animals, the dash tissues are made up of cells without any intercellular spaces. Its answer is, students, epithelial. Epithelial. Now come to true and false. State if the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statement. Now first, epithelial tissue is a protective tissue. Its answer is, students, true. True. Second, the fluid part of the blood is called lymph. Its answer is, students, false. This is your false statement. Now what is the correction here? Instead of this lymph, cut the word here lymph and write there plasma. 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 Next, students, third, ligaments connect muscles to the bones. Student, this is your false statement. Third is your false statement. And instead of here muscles, cut the word here muscles and write there bones, B-O-N-E-S, bones. Ligaments connect bones to bones. Now fourth, axon and cyton are the parts of neuron. Student, it is true. Nervous tissue carry the message from all parts of the body to the brain and spinal cord and vice versa. Students, this is also your true. Involuntary muscles are found in the hollow organs of the body. It's also true. Cardiac muscles have light and dark bands. It's also true. Fluid filled spaces in which cartilage cells are present called lacunae. It's also, students, true. It's true. Now come to match the following. Muscles of the stomach. Muscles of the stomach. Its answer is, students, involuntary. Longest cell of the human body. Its answer is neuron. Blood. Its answer is fluid connective tissue. Tendon. Its answer is connects muscles to the bone. And ligaments connects bone to bone. 21453. 21453. Now students, come to choose the odd one out and give scientific reason. Here students, first cyton, dendrite, plasma and axon. Students, here underline, circle the word here plasma. Circle the word here plasma and write now, students, scientific reason in the next line. Write its scientific reason. Plasma is the part of blood while the other three are the parts of neuron. Are the parts of neuron. Next, are the parts of neuron. Now student, next, bone, epithelium, tendon and cartilage. Here you just circle the word epithelium and here you write, now scientific reason you write, it is a protective tissue. It is a protective tissue while others are the types of skeletal tissue. Types of skeletal tissue. Now third, students, red blood cell, white blood cell, platelets and plasma. Circle the word here, students, plasma. Now write, plasma is the liquid part. Plasma is the liquid part of blood while other three are the cells present in the blood. Are the cells present in the blood. Now students, fourth, tendon, platelets, ligaments and bone. Circle the word platelets. Now here you write, platelet is the cell of the blood. Platelet is the cell of the blood while other three are the parts of skeletal system. Other three are the parts of skeletal system. Next, write, students, fifth, voluntary, involuntary, cardiac and cartilage. Students, here you underline, circle the word cartilage and here you write, it is the type of skeletal tissue. It is the type of skeletal tissue, while other are types of muscular tissue. Muscular tissue. Now next, students, give one word. A tissue responsible for deposition of fat in the body. Right here, students, adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. Second, the tissue that covers and protects the organs of the human body. Epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. A type of tissue found in lining of the stomach. Students, again, epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. A type of muscular tissue found in the heart. Cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle. Fifth, the ground substance of the bone. Right here, students, matrix. M-A-T-R-I-X. Matrix. Next, sixth, a tissue that joins bones together. Right here, student, ligaments. Ligaments. Seventh, a fluid connective tissue that carry oxygen. Students, right there, blood. Blood. Next, a tissue responsible for the movement in animals. Right here, muscular tissue. Muscular tissue. Students, now we will continue in next video. Thank you.